Hope you're being great. Hope you're doing fantastically well on this awesome day. Currently down beautiful Darling Harbour, just heading out to the Exhibition Centre. Lovely down here. You sort of see there's a massive building right here. They've been building this now for years and years and years, and this actually used to be the old IMAX theatre. Now, I don't know whether you've ever been to the IMAX theatre before, but there was nothing wrong with that IMAX theatre. They tore it down for no real reason at all, and they're building something else completely there. And I kind of relate it to a lot of products that people are selling on Amazon, or even online, even if you're selling on other platforms. Sometimes, even if sometimes the products need to be rebuilt. Probably a better way of saying that, but even if the product looks okay, and the IMAX did before they reconstructed this thing, it looked okay and it was doing well, it was making money. They pulled it all down, they rebuilt it. Same thing with the convention center right here, right? They pulled the whole thing down and they rebuilt it from scratch and made it better. There will be occasionally products that you sell or things that you build which are okay, they're making money, they're getting by, but if you rebuilt it, if you tried a new product, if you worked on the existing product to make it better, it could potentially sell even more and make more money for you. So don't get hung up. The moral of the story is don't get hung up, don't get stuck thinking, all right, I've got that product, let's move on, or let me just sit back and relax and chill out, I don't have to do anything anymore. Rather than taking that mentality, ask yourself, how can I improve this product even more? Can I make it better? Can I make my product better? Can I rebuild it? Can I repackage it? Can I modify it a little bit more? Can I package it in better packaging or logo or brand it? So just wanted to share that thought with you today. I hope you're staying well. I hope you're being great. And if you are looking for new videos, new training, if you're looking for ideas on getting product ideas, if you're looking for help and you're based in Australia or New Zealand, you don't have to be located in those countries, but it does help. Reach out, give us a call, 028003 7534. I would love to work with you, and I would love to help you get up and running on Amazon. And I just wanted to share that tidbit today because, you know, it's all nice and well thinking about launching your product on Amazon or drop shipping or Shopify and going, all right, I've done it, let's move on. Things can always get better. You could always improve on what you've already built. So stay safe, guys. Hope you're looking after yourself, and I'll see you on another video. Subscribe to me if you haven't already done so as well. Hit the subscribe button. I would love to work with you too. Bye for now.